By next week, she blanked all her applications. Will submit, submits, will have submitted, has submitted. Keyword, by. Kapag meron kayong nakikitang ganyan, by, tapos future time, kagaya nitong by next week, it sets a future deadline. So dito, meron tayong future deadline. Ibig sabihin, itong hinahanap nating action, dapat makumpleto na siya before this deadline. So ibig sabihin, bago matapos yung week na yan, dapat nagawa na yung action. At kung meron tayong future action na makukumpleto before a specific future time, ang kailangan natin ay future perfect. Kasi nga, di ba, laging sinasabi sa inyo perfect, ibig sabihin prior. So, future perfect is prior to future, bago yung future. At ang formula ng future perfect ay will plus have plus past participle. So, ang sagot, letter C. Kasi yan ang nasa future perfect. Will have submitted. So, ang sentence mo, by next week, she will have submitted all her applications.